GeoPros. It's the same as the ePro, just a different color scheme. Little guys. So there's a Mini Max. There's the little guy. Come on. Outdoor kitchen.
I wonder if you can get on his laptop and access your email that way too. We need a solution. It's the closest that I got.
This is the little...
Yeah. Come on, Joe. I put him in my contact. Come on.
kitchenette. I think this is the Micro, yep, Micro Max. Wow, this has a dinette up front.
Smoke.
Oh, this is nice. Could be a big bed area, or you can make one bed and still have a sitting area.
Hi, buddy.
But look at this dinette.
How are you doing? Oh, you're so cute. How'd you get so cute? You must have took cute pills. That's what you did. You can't be that cute.
He is.
You are so handsome. I love your eyes. Yeah, you got a brown eye and a blue eye, right?
Yeah, he does. Here is the little guy Max. Still has the pass-through. This must be the Rough Rider. Inside here, it's got the dual. Same awning as mine. 43,000. Huh.
Yeah, that's what's his name is.
44,000. Do you mind if I go in? Excuse me. Come on, bud. Come on. Smoke, come on. Oh, yeah. Come on. Yep, you familiar with this camper? Yeah, feels the same. Cabinets. Different kind of wood. The bed? Why does this feel smaller? It's a little smaller. It feels like it's a little smaller.
Yeah.
And this is... I don't know why, but it feels a little smaller.
Hi, little one.
Oh, here's New Camp. Got the tabs. Ooh, they got the little pod there. The barefoots. Oh, look at this 400 with the bunk beds.
You can feel the heat. You can feel the heat.
Here's this barefoot. It does have a bathroom in there. Let's see this bathroom. Oh yeah, it does have a sink in there. Huh. Nice. Hey, Airstream is making a transit van, a Sprinter van. Oh man, this is nice. Oh my gosh, look at that. Wow, that's so cool. Come here, come on. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. There's a sink right there. Campers are pretty cool too. It's like
Oh, crap. 2 by 4, 2 full lines.
I will tell you.
Come on, come on. Come on, folks. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Look, this is, oh my gosh, this is bigger than my camper. A big bed here. And a double sink.
Hello, buddy. Hello.
A U dinette. And a bathroom. So in here, I thought it was going to be where all the gadgets are, but these are the big guys. The $1 million coach. And this is the presidential series. 1.162. Alright, let's go look. Let's see if we can find the Bambies.
How the prices have skyrocketed in the last 3 years.
2,000. All right, it's hard to get inside the campers. There, you have to wait, and now people are looking, so I'm just here's, I think this is where I'm looking for all the gadgets. Let's go this way. Like a little mini parade. It's got ice cream, ube ice cream, coconut, mango, bananas. Yeah. Boat ramp opens 24 hours. Huh. And there is a couple rigging boats with mast. Oh, there's the dog beach right over there. Okay. Where's the parking spots? Alright, come on. Dog park. We're at the dog park. Look at this ship. That's so cool. Smokey is in his glory with his frisbee. There's a plane. The little runway is right here next to this dog park here. There's this little bay here. It's pretty cool. This is where I'm parked. Right here. It's 50 degrees, exactly 50 degrees. And it's 7:45. Let me turn some more lights on in here. All right, I'm in the back of the truck. Here's Smokey. Hey, buddy, you all right? Trying to figure out what we're doing, huh? Okay. I got this heater going right here. It is nice and toasty in here. I don't know if you can hear it, but the water's right back there. I can't show you. I've got it all. I got this blanket up on this window. And I have this Joulle it's like a jet boil, but no fire. I didn't want to have fire in here. And although I brought my little stove, I can use this. And you can use it to boil water. You can use it to heat up food. You can actually use it to cook food. And you can use it for popcorn. So I'm going to go ahead and get some dinner going. Now I did have this in my I've been looking at one of these and trying to decide between the one that you have to use gas for, but man, this one is nice. And then the company reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try it, and of course I said sure. So if you look down here, there's drink, so that would be water, to boil the water. Then there's eat, and there's pop, so popcorn. There's 3 settings. So you set the little, I haven't tried this yet, so this will be my first time. Eat, pop, or drink. So I'll put it, set it to eat. Alright, so oh, it just pops off. So this is the lid. And then inside cord and sticker. I love stickers. And that's I don't know if you can see, but inside there are measuring lines. So, and then here's a user manual. And I'm gonna go ahead and pause and read the directions. Let's put it on 8. Okay. It's using 522 watts. So on drink mode, it'll bring it to a boil, then automatically shut off. On eat mode, it will bring it to boiling temperature and then go down like to simmer and then stay on until you turn it off manually. And then popcorn will come up to popping temperature and then come down automatically. I can hear this thing bubbling already. What the heck? Let's see. Can't be bubbling already. Oh, you can hear it bubbling already. Hear it? This is not going to take long at all. Let's let that cook. And then let's see how much power it uses. So I was at 100% today. Plug this refrigerator in about 8 o'clock this morning. Use this heater a little bit to warm this up. And now I'm cooking and I'm at 20%. You can hear this bubbling. That's crazy. It's only been, I mean, a minute if that. Don't need very much time at all. I can feel the heat coming off of this. Okay, so the temperature went down. I mean, I'm sorry, I know this is blurry. I don't have much. It's just not enough light in here, I'm sorry. But it's running at 245. It's already to temperature and it's just simmering now. So I'm going to turn this off. And I'm just going to eat it right out of the bowl. I mean, right out of the Joulle. Okay. So there's, you can see it's hot. Hot. I can't believe how fast that was. I mean, it was like a minute. I mean, immediately I could hear it boiling. But then you stir it up and then it would start boiling again. Stir it up. So I would say within 2 minutes it shifted down to 245 watts from 520 because it was up to temperature. That's crazy. This protective sleeve around it, it's warm, but it's not hot, so I can hold it. That's awesome. Select the pop mode and press the power button. Stir slowly when kernels begin to pop. So this will shut off automatically once the popcorn's done. Alright, so let's see. Let's get some oil. Don't really want to put it on here, but so I'm just going to put a little bit in there. Okay, let's not make too much. Oh shoot. There's a hole in the lid right here, so I don't know why you're supposed to use the lid. I'm gonna push this on. It says stir it when you hear it popping. Oh, pop. Put it on pop. Hold it down. Okay. It's using 149 watts. 134, 145, 149. So around 145. It's pretty slick looking. I can feel it warm, but it's not hot or I can't hold my hand there the whole time. I just can feel that it's warm. There's the power cord. As long as you have AC power source. Oh, it's popping. I just heard a pop. I wonder how it knows when all the popcorn is popped and it turns itself off. Oh. There it goes. I think I put too much oil in there. You can see it. Boat trailer. This is a boat ramp. Parking lot. Look at that. That's crazy. I want to see this thing turn itself off. Look, it's already popcorn all the way up to the top. Let's see this thing turn itself off. I don't know how it's going to know. Whoa, look at that. I have popcorn. It's so crazy. And just some salt. That is awesome. Oh, good. 16 ounces. So that would be enough to make a cup of coffee and my oatmeal. Okay, so let me start. You can hear it kicking on, and start the timer. 520 watts. See how long it takes to boil. See bubbling at the bottom of the pot. But I want to see how long it takes to get to a rolling boil. Oh, it is boiling. So I really don't know. It was probably around 4 minutes. I mean, right at 5 minutes. And then it did shut off just now. Okay. All right, so 5 minutes. Morning smoke. Oh, stay. Oh, so I ran out of power. I had the heater on and I didn't turn it off. I fell asleep. Ugh. Let's see. Slept last night. Let me show you what this looks like. So all night I could hear big engines of those boats over there coming and going, and then the wind was pretty rough last night. And then I guess when those boats come through the water, there was waves, you could hear the waves. But yeah, I'm right here on the edge of this canal. Right now is 37 degrees. So there's the dog park. You can see the city in the background. This is the dog park parking lot. Over there next to that white SUV is where I was parked yesterday before I moved over here. That's where I stayed last night. I was reading some of the comments on RV Parky about this place. One said that you couldn't park over there in the dog park parking area because the park closes